Satellite, the visible satellite. We have three types of satellites. Here is your science lesson for the day. Visible satellite, infrared satellite, and water vapor. As we look at the visible, all we're doing is just taking pictures from outer space. So that's why we lose the last few frames. But anyway, you can see a lot more texture with the visible satellite. And we've got a lot of that cold air that's streaming from the northwest. You can see the direction of the clouds. I only point that out because we are a little bit on the cooler side. Now we're looking at the infrared satellite. But as we show you, we are seeing a lot of clearing skies that's happening across the western half of the state. And as that happens, we're going to be looking at a colder night, but it will allow lots of sunshine. If you need a day of blue skies, tomorrow is it. It looks like a nice day, and we'll be getting into the lower 60s, which is going to be about 10 degrees warmer than average. We have had a warm March so far. Even today, if you want to be technical about it, yes, we actually did warm, just a little bit warmer than average. 53 for the high, 48 is where we start off this morning, much warmer than the 33. So when we drop down the 30s, that still should be happening this time of the year. We're trying to get a little more sun as we wrap up our day at 42, the Country Club of Harrisburg. Hopefully the next 3 days we'll see a lot more activity there at the Country Club with temperatures that will be into the 60s. So as we see the front exiting, clearing skies, drier air, high pressure building in, allowing milder air to move in. Let's just kind of play it all together here as we show you. We move into tomorrow. That's what I'm talking about. It's just all blue skies, all four corners of the state. What about Wednesday? Wednesday's going to be the warmest day of the week. And I think most of the day will be sunny. We'll see a few more clouds as we move into the second half of our Wednesday, but still, I think a lot of us are going to enjoy it. Thursday, still looking at 60s, but we'll have more clouds moving in. This is Thursday afternoon, and you can see this line. That is a front. That will provide a brief line of showers as we move in the second half of our Thursday. So that's still part of our forecast. But the next 3 days going to be about 10, if not 15 degrees warmer than average. The next two certainly offering more sunshine than Thursday as the front moves through. It cools us down. We're 52 on Friday. I forgot, spring officially begins on Thursday, by the way. I need to look at the specific time in case you want the specific time so you can say, see you, winter. I will do that for you here come at 6 o'clock. The weekend, it does look like a dry weekend at this point with temperatures that will be more seasonable.
Thank you, Eric. See ya.
See ya.
Okay.